welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup look. I don't know what one yet. I'm going to show you a new palette I got for Christmas. I know it's February, but I don't really do these videos anymore. But if I do them, I do videos like this. So as you can see by the title, I have got cerebral palsy, specifically left side hemiplegia. So doing things with my left hand is quite difficult, so I thought of doing this challenge. I've done it with like 5 minutes timer, but I thought let's change it up and give myself more time than I did last time. So I've got an extra 5 minutes, and it's the 10-minute makeup challenge with my left hand, with my cerebral palsy hand. So let's just jump straight into the video. I'm going to show you all the products straight away, but I want to show you this before I start using it and get on to the makeup look. So this is the palette I'm using. I got this for Christmas. It's a new naked palette, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to do a basic like glitter eye. I'll try and go as much out of my comfort zone as I can, so you guys can see like the makeup and like the difference between. I just thought of a good idea. Guys, would you like to see a video of me doing one side with my right hand and one side with my left? Comment down below. Oh my god, I didn't even think about that. But for now, we're going to do the 10-minute makeup challenge, and I'm going to put a timer on now. From this point forward, it is going to be unedited, but it's not, it might be edited but not that much, but it's going to be as unedited as I can. I don't normally edit my videos that much anyway, so this is just going to be less unedited to do. But let's put on the timer and let's start this challenge. Okay, timer starting. The first thing I'm going to do is my strawberry whipped pore blurring primer with vitamin C and E. Okay, I need to try and okay, got it open. No, I've done that the wrong way around. Okay, so I need to do this. This isn't working. I need more. Okay, obviously in some cases I do need 2 hands, so I'm going to be using 2 hands at some bits, but I'm going to try my best to use like the most of my left hand as possible. I probably look like an idiot right now, but that's all the primer on. We've got around 9 minutes left. Concealer. This is the type of concealer I use. I don't know why I feel like I'm rushing. I've got 10 minutes. I do 10 minutes of that within my normal time. This is from Revolution. Okay, I'm going to twist it either way with my right hand. Okay, but we're going to do it this way. Okay, this is where it starts to get dangerous. Okay, I'm going to at least turn it around, so because I can't turn like what I can do with my right hand with my left, this is where okay. I'm also doing this on my phone camera. That is way too much, but oh well. We've still got plenty of time. So I don't think this is going to blend in properly. Last time this was the thing that took forever to do. I've also got my light on, so I'm going to show you a natural lighting as well when I'm done, but just for like video purposes. Oh, this isn't even blending. Oh my goodness. I'm not even doing it under my eye. I'm wiping it to the side. This is so difficult. This is the way I'm holding it, by the way. No other way. I love doing these video ideas, but like this one is quite difficult to continue. Like, it's like I come up with that video idea and I know it's gonna be really good, but I'm like, in the minute while I'm doing this video, like, I start to regret what I've chose to do, because like, okay, that's the best I can do, not even the best, but the chin's quite okay. We've only got 6 minutes left. Okay, what's next? Eyebrows. So this is the Renmo London Wonderful Brow Clear Brow. So I don't really fill in my eyebrows. I know it would be more fun if I did that, but I don't actually even know my colour. So I've just got normal brow gel that's clear. You can kind of see that I can't really angle things properly with this hand. Okay, that's the best. I think that's probably the best out of all the makeup it's gonna be. All the makeup that I cannot talk, and this needs to be unedited. Okay, this is where the danger. Oh no, I need to do my eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. Okay, this is the color I'm going with. I really can't see. Don't worry, I'm gonna put some glitter on so you can actually see that eyeball. I'm going to do that colour here. So this one. We've only got 3.5 minutes left. I think I've actually got better at this, doing it with my left hand. I don't know if anyone would actually watch the full video of this, but if you are still watching, of course I'm gonna put music over this, but if you are still watching, thank you. Give this video a thumbs up. Got 2 minutes left to do my eyelashes and my, I'm kind of just taking most of the time on my mascara. I don't know if you can Now mascara. This mascara is from Maybelline. It's the big black mascara. Okay, this is where it gets dangerous because I need to try not put this in my eyeball. I've only got 1 minute. My camera stopped recording, but I paused the thing. I'm going to play it again. Okay, we're doing the mascara. Oh, how am I gonna? Okay, that's the best I can do. I'm not even gonna try and do the bottom lashes. I need to do my lipstick. I've only got 45 minutes and 45 seconds left. Lipstick. No, wrong side. Oh. 22 seconds. That's actually not that bad. Okay, 1 second, I don't have time to... But this is the final makeup look. I didn't even have time to put on my blusher. But I think I put on everything else. But this is the final makeup look. Got mascara on my eyebrow. I think I've done better than I did last time. Go check out that video. I'll link it down below. Let me know if you think I've done better. The concealer is literally ridiculous. The blending is not working. But this is the final look. Let me know what you think. Do you think I did a good job while doing it with my left hand with having cerebral palsy? Or do you think I could have done better? Let me just say, this is like you doing it with the hand that you can't write as well with. So think about that. How would you do if you did your makeup with your hand that you don't use that often, like the hand that you don't write with? How would your makeup look like? Let me know. But I will see you in the next video. Thank you for joining me, and do this challenge on your own YouTube channel and tag me in it. Let's start doing a challenge. Cerebral palsy makeup challenge. That would be quite cool if you guys did that. Let me know. But I will see you in my next video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye. The conceal is rubbish. I haven't even blended it in.